In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Sheets. This is a simple, yet crucial skill, especially if you're collaborating with others who speak different languages, or if you're working with data from international sources. Understanding how to modify the language settings can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's start this process by opening Google Drive. This is the central hub where all your Google files, including Google Sheets, are stored. If you're not already logged into your Google account, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a variety of documents that you've previously worked on. Next, let's look for the gear icon, which represents Settings. You can usually find this in the upper right section of your Drive's interface. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu with several options. From here, we'll want to select Settings, which will open a new window presenting various customization settings for your Drive experience. Within the Settings window, you'll notice several tabs on the left side. It is important to focus on the tab for Manage Apps, which soon will lead us further. However, what you need to do here is to spot and click on Change Language Settings. This option is usually not immediately visible. You may need to scroll down a bit or look under Advanced Settings to find it. Click on this option, and it will redirect you to a different page that handles language preferences. Now that you are on the Language Settings page, you'll see a list of language options. Your goal here is to change the preferred language to the one you desire. You can type in the language of your choice in the search bar to make this process quicker. Click on the language you want to set as your preferred language and confirm your selection. The changes should take effect relatively quickly. With your preferred language set, it's time to test this adjustment. Head back over to Google Drive and open a Google Sheet document. Navigate around the interface and observe whether the language updates have been applied. The menu options and controls should reflect the new language settings. This simple change can make navigating and collaborating on Google Sheets much more intuitive and comfortable if it aligns with your preferred or native language. Remember that changing the language settings in Google Sheets not only affects the interface, but can also impact the format of dates, times, and numerical data to align with the cultural norms of that language. So be mindful of these changes and check whether the date and number formatting suits your needs. This concludes our tutorial on how to change the language in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and happy computing.